Leeway, understanding the phrase. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in the English language, leeway. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and the contexts where it's most often found. Let's get started. Leeway is a noun which, in a broad sense, means the amount of freedom someone has to make decisions or to act according to their own judgment in a particular situation. Example: the teacher gave her students some leeway regarding the due date of the project, allowing them to submit it within a week. The term leeway originally comes from a nautical context. When ships sailed, there was always a sideways movement caused by the wind. This sideways movement or drift was termed leeway. Over time, the term began to be used metaphorically to refer to the amount of freedom or margin allowed in any situation. Understanding synonyms can further clarify the meaning of leeway. Some common synonyms include flexibility, latitude, wiggle room, margin. Example: due to unforeseen circumstances, they were given more wiggle room with their deadlines. To better understand, let's see a few more sentences using leeway. 1. The new policy allows managers more leeway in making decisions. 2. We have a budget for our trip, but there's a little leeway if we see something extra we want to do. 3. As it's your first time working on such a task, I'll give you some leeway. Leeway is one of those phrases that showcases the richness of the English language, where a term from sailing found its way into our everyday conversations. We hope this video has given you clarity on its meaning and usage. Remember, language is a beautiful journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Until next time, keep exploring and happy learning.